and the celebration on the field are a testament to their The openers are stepped onto the field, ready to face the new ball. A real freebie, and the batter crashes in, 4 to the total. You can feel the energy in the air as the crowd rallies behind the team. Yes! Oh, crushed, dismissed to the boundary, top shot. The sheer power behind that shot is incredible. He made full use of the delivery and sent it to the fence. It looks like a really good shot, and yes, it is. That's the statement shot. The replay shows how dominant he's been, taking on the bowler and winning big. It's been a very, very entertaining over so far. Pressure on the batter. Change of angle from the bowler, coming round the wicket now. What a shot, gets to the pitch of the ball. Good extension of the bat. Uses his long levers. What a crowd pleaser. You can see from the replay how cleanly he struck that straight into the stands. Oh, that's clean. Way back into the stands. That's pure power. The replay shows how he absolutely middled it, sending it miles into the stands. A classic cover drive. Finds the gap perfectly and adds 4 to the tally. The sheer power behind that shot is incredible. He made full use of the delivery and sent it to the fence. That's a dot ball. No runs. That's gone miles high, handsome and into the crowd. It's not just power, it's the placement too. He picked the perfect area and cleared it with ease. That's sharp, turned half a chance into goal. The fielder was in the right spot at the right time and made it look routine. Happy with the single. It's making the bowler think. What is he planning to do now with the batter? And that's it. It's all over. The batting team couldn't get it. This pursuit of excellence.